How to add credit one card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Apple Wallet application on your device and tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and you will further see various options. Go ahead and tap on the debit or credit card option and then tap on the continue button. With this, your camera will open up. Now go ahead and scan the Credit One card and add the details required. Or you can also select the option of enter card details manually and further verify and complete your card information and further complete the form shown to you that includes your card number and other important details as such. Once added, tap on the Continue button and with this your Credit One card will be added to Apple Wallet successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.